Syntorial 2.3 is out, and we've added a big new feature to it, Remakes. Remake iconic synth sounds. This is where you can do Syntorial challenges when you recreate synth sounds from famous songs, sounds you recognize in a real life context. So when you open Syntorial, just go down here and click the launch button. And now you'll see the table of contents is filled with these. It's listed by default alphabetically by artist. And just go through and look at this list. You'll undoubtedly recognize a lot. Some you may not, so you get to explore and hear new ones. But let's do the first one. Take On Me. Hit start. All right, we've all heard that classic 80s patch, and you just recreate it, submit it, and get your score. And it's just a single patch challenge. It's really fun, but also educational because now you're doing the whole Syntorial challenge thing, but in a more real life context. It's really fun. And this patch was from the 80s, but we span multiple decades, multiple genres, patch types. We want to get something for everyone in here. By default, it is sorted alphabetically by artist, just one big list, but you can also sort by genre. So you can see we have love electronic, new wave. Decade, this is when the song came out, right? Starting in the 70s, going all up to the 2020s. Patch type, you can see your basses, your leads. And then also essentials. This is where we organize it in the sense that, by level. So for example, all the ones in 11 repeating movement, they are going to utilize parameters that you would have learned at some point up to level 11, was where we introduced the LFO, for example. So it sort of gives you an idea of complexity, though not always, because here in level 15, putting your sound in a room, that's reverb. Sometimes you have very simple patches that also just happen to have reverb on them. Like this one, Alice DJ, Better Off Alone lead. It might be the most simple synth patch I've ever seen. You should try it out. It's very, very recognizable, but incredibly simple. It just so happens to have reverb on it. So that's why it ends up here. So this is sort of a loose indicator of where you would need to be in Syntorial. But I encourage you to just try them out regardless of where they fall in here. Now, this is free. You don't even have to own Syntorial. You can download the free Syntorial app that comes with their demo content, and it has all of these. And this is just the beginning. We just launched this. We are constantly going to be adding to it. And every time you open Syntorial, it'll automatically download and update this list. Now, you can get more details about these patches if you go to our website, syntorial.com/presets. Here, all these, plus more that we weren't able to put into Syntorial challenges, are listed. There's tons of them, and you can sort them by all sorts of specific tags related to synthesis, as well as, of course, genre and synth. Let's go into one of them. And now you get to see the original audio as a YouTube video, our remake, a full-on text recipe. You can download the preset to open in Primer, and in some cases, we'll have presets for other synths as well. So, enjoy Syntorial 2.3.